My name is Sudhanshu Kumar, guys, and in this lecture, I'm going to talk about membership operators. Let's try to understand what is membership operator by looking into a practical example. So there is an operator called as in and not in, which exists inside a Python, right? And that is something called as membership operator. So it will always try to identify that whether something is a member of something or not. And this is where this name membership operator came into a picture. So let's try to understand, guys, so how this membership operator is actually going to work for all of us. So like I said, there are two operators which exist inside a membership, in and not in. So it will always try to check whether something is a part of something or not. Now, what is that something that I'm talking about? So let's suppose if I'm going to write maybe a text over here. So there is a variable which I have created. So this is my first Python class. Let's suppose I have written this particular part, right? Now execute. Now, if you have to find out that whether my is a part of this entire sentence or not. So my is inside this entire sentence or not. If you have to check that one. So what you can write? So you can write that my in this text, text, my in text. So it is giving me true that yes, this my is a part of this text. Text means this particular sentence, this particular string. So if you have to check something inside something, so you can try to use this in operator. This is a in, and this is something called as membership operator, this in operator, right? So here it is going to check the entire sentence, and then it is going to tell you if it is like able to find out something. If it is not able to find out something, it is going to give you false. For example, let's suppose I'm going to search my name over here, right? I'm going to search my name over here. So this in text, SUDH is not available. SUDH in text, no, it's not available, right? SUDH is not available as a part of this particular text. So it is giving me basically false. This is what in operator does, guys. And now if I'll talk about a not in operator, just a reverse of in, right? Just a reverse of in. So here SUDH, and not in, if I have given in text text. Now what could be the outcome? So obviously it is going to give me what? True, right? It is going to give me true. So which is a reverse of in. So here SUDH not in text. Yes, that's true. SUDH is not available inside text. Now if I'm going to write my in text or not in text, I can try to write not in text, false. So my is inside a text, my is available inside the text, but I'm trying to say not in. So it is going to give me a false result. So basically it is going to give you the true or false result based on the lookups. And then let's suppose if we have a list, if we have a tuples, if we have a dictionary, so in any of such things, if we have to find something, some of the elements, I can try to use in operator and not in operator. With the help of this, I will be able to find out those things in the easiest possible way, which I'll try to utilize. I'll try to show you. So when I'll teach you a list, tuple, dictionary, set, all of these collection list. Okay. With that, thank you so much, guys, and see you again in my next lecture.